Hey guys, today I thought I'd introduce you to kind of how we pack for travel in this nomadic life that we've taken up. We don't live in an RV. We basically have a truck and a bass boat that we travel around with, and we are able to pack some things in the bass boat. So let me just kind of give you the overview of what we travel with. Hold on. I have a whole list because we have it down to what I think is kind of a science for us. So we travel with 9 totes, 17-gallon totes, 1 cooler, 2 carry-on bags, 1 grooming table, 1 laundry hamper, which is foldable, 4 large vacuum bags, 3 small or extra small vacuum bags, my jewelry box, hair clippers, grooming kit, backpack, briefcase. I think that's most of what we travel with. And then of course, like Daisy has her dog bed.
These are what she packs.
These are things I pack up for her. We have a small box of toys that we bring. We have her dog bed. We have a few blankets that we bring. We did not bring our pillows this time. And of course, whatever purse I'm carrying.
Because that's most important.
So within those totes, we have, like I said, 9 totes, and I narrowed it down within each tote, like basically what we carry in those. 1 tote has shoes, 1 tote has my camera equipment, and it does carry some of some purse stuff. 1 has purses, 1 has medical equipment / meds in it. 1 of them carries stuff for our pew-pews. 1 is computer stuff. The next one is for bathroom. And the last one is, well, the second to last one is for kitchen. And then the very last one is stuff that has some fishing stuff in it for my husband. So what I figured I'd do is just kind of show you, let me give you the tour of this place. And then I can show you what we have in the closet, more specifically and in depth, and each thing that I just talked about. I did not get a picture of how we pack it up, but basically in the bed of the truck, we can get 8 totes. So you get 2 rows of 4. So that's 8 of the 9 totes. And then at the very end of the bed, we put the cooler and the 2 travel bags. So the 2 carry-on bags that we have, and we just stack those on top. And then I always put my Samsonite overnight case right there at the end so that we can get to all of that stuff really easily. And then along the sides of that, where the wheel wells are, we can actually put some of the smaller bags and stuff like that. So I guess I didn't mention that we do carry a gym bag with some stuff for Daisy. We have a couple other bags that are just random stuff that we throw in there. Yeah, so I think that's the majority of it. So that's how we pack the bed of the truck. And then in the boat, we put all of our clothes in the compression bags, and that actually all just goes in the boat, and 1 tote goes back there as well. And within the cab, we always put the things that we're going to need. So if we stop overnight to rest, we want to take in our stuff that's our computers and that kind of stuff that's kind of expensive stuff. So I always put that in the back seats of the cab of the truck. And as well as we put blankets along the seat, and then we put Daisy's bed on top of that. We have one side is all Daisy stuff and Daisy, and the other side of the cab of the back seat is stuff that is stuff we need. I'm trying to think of what else we actually need along the way, her treats and her leash and her harness and just different things like that we would use at each stop. So that's pretty much how we pack it up. I didn't take any pictures of it. I just really I forgot to. We got here and just wanted to get unpacked. And so anyway, let me give you the tour of the place and then kind of show you where everything is. Enjoy. Okay, so it's an apartment over the garage, and you come up, hi Daisy, you come up through the garage and you come up these stairs, and this is what you see as you walk up. You turn, it's one big open space. You can probably hear the echo. Living room area, which we kind of shifted this way. Dining room, nice kitchen, good open space here, which we like. You can see the view is insane out there, which you saw in the pictures. And then you keep going, and kitchen, laundry room, which is nice. Bathroom, nice long big bathroom, and then bedroom. So 1 big bedroom. We bring our own sheets, so it's like home. We bring our own laundry basket because it actually packs up really well. And then over there, I actually bring my jewelry box, and that's some Daisy stuff. Over here, we're just still unpacking this. And then you have the closet right here, just extra stuff. And then here's what I did here is those are her sheets and stuff. Daisy's closet. the totes. This is all like medical stuff, supplements. Those are shoes, which I'm really going to work on paring some down. And then over here, just all the extra space. Now that I've kind of given you a walkthrough of the space, let me show you like where the totes are, kind of what they're roughly packed like, and then what else we have going on. So you already saw this space, but in here I have clothing that's like, it's kind of on the fence if I'm going to keep it, or I'll probably just leave it in Michigan because it's for colder weather. Then I have shoes. That's the tote for shoes right there. That is, again, like colder weather shoes, but still. This is like the bathroom and supplements and all that. And then this one is all medical stuff. You can see we have the, whatever you call that, the Apple Home, whatever. This is the tote that has all of my filming equipment and so on, my camera. And then over here we have totes that are like, that was the computer stuff. That's my purses stuff. I think I have two that are actually like purse stuff because I also have like the SLGs and these purses up here and whatever. But like this stuff here, that's Daisy's, that all goes down in this other tote bag that we carry. Not tote bag, but like gym bag. That has all Daisy stuff in it. That's my hair cutting equipment. This bag actually carried food that we had left over in. That's also Daisy stuff. And then that is kind of the miscellaneous stuff right now. There's like a heated blanket in there. Everything's kind of a little messy right now, but you can see like we have a decent amount of clothes and that all goes in vacuum storage bags. And then like shoes up there, we're utilizing the space up here. And then we also carry these two small bags, which we fill with stuff. And it's great to have extra packing areas, but also it allows us to have somewhere if we want to go somewhere for like the weekend, we can pack up really easily in a small bag. Then you have my backpack there. My husband has a like work bag, but that's in the other room. And then all my purses. The other things I do travel with are my jewelry box here. And I have decided that next time, like once we get back to Michigan, I'll be leaving that in Michigan. And I have a small travel jewelry thing. I wear basically the same jewelry most of the time. And if there's like a pair of earrings that I wish I had that I didn't have with me, I could probably find a similar pair somewhere if I just had to have them. But I typically don't. And then I always travel with this charging station that we put over here. It charges our watches, our AirPods, our Beats. It charges my Kindle, my iPad, everything. And we each have a couple of fragrances that we carry and use. I actually just got this in Dallas because I wasn't using anything, but I did miss that warm vanilla sugar. I just love it. I just can't let it go yet. And I tried finding alternatives, couldn't find anything good. And then this last tote right here is all stuff for pew-pews that we have that we travel. Y'all might think this is hilarious, but I travel with my own laundry hamper because it actually folds down to be completely flat. So it's nice to have that we always have a laundry hamper with us. And here in the bathroom, it's a mess. This is real life, but I keep all of our daily use stuff like within this plastic container. So it just goes in and out of the Samsonite traveling case, which is underneath here. It just sits right inside of there. So everything sits and stays up really nicely, but it just makes it easy for us wherever we go. We know exactly what we're going to use. We also bring along our popcorn maker. Actually, we left ours back in Michigan, but we bought this one when we were in Texas and it has traveled with us to Florida now. And then since we've been here, we got a crock pot, which will also travel with us. And also this Nespresso maker, which you guys know I absolutely love. And this one will actually travel with us as well. Hopefully we own property in these places that we'll be able to like leave that there and just have one at each place. But for now we have one that travels with us. And kind of last but not least, we always travel with our grooming table. Again, I accidentally left ours in Michigan, but since we're hoping to have property in different places, I ordered a different one in Texas. It's the exact same one I have in Michigan, but I ordered this one so that we had one that was with us, and it makes it so much easier to groom Daisy on the go. You know, always taking her somewhere new, it makes her nervous and it makes me nervous, so it's just better to have one with us. And there's our cooler. I'm actually using it as a little side table. So I was sitting here editing this video and I realized I didn't like finish it out. I didn't do an outro or anything. So I figured I would just go ahead and say like that pretty much sums up what we travel with. Every time we pack it up, I'm shocked because I think there's no way all of this is going with us, even though it's exactly what we traveled with. We've added a couple of things like the crock pot and the Nespresso maker, but not enough to like throw it over that we don't have room for it. So I'm really, really I guess I would say I'm really, really proud of us. This may not be the best way. It may not be the only way. We may make changes as we go and update things and like make it more streamlined. But for now, this is what we're doing. We've only been doing this for a year and a half, maybe. So this is new to us, and I'm just really, really proud. So if you guys have any suggestions on things that we could do better or that would make it easier for us, let me know down in the comments below. Sometimes people have some really great suggestions. Sometimes people just want to roast me for doing it a different way, which is fine. Just let me know. Anyway, I will talk to you guys in the next one. I'm sure I'll have other like travel nomadic life videos that I'll do. I just need to do them. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Put some of the extra, we want to take in like our, we put some of the